can't get it open.
Good morning. It is another day of working in the shop. We got the regular crew here, some more of the regular crew, and then the beautiful part of the crew. We've got Rex from Miller here. Rex has been watching us weld on this thing the whole time, just cringing like, oh, no. So he's actually coming to give us some pointers on how to use these Miller welders that we're using and just make us better at welding. Does it bother you that we weld downhill?
Sometimes, in some places.
Sometimes it does. I'm gonna be kind of working on this wrecker while they get everything set up. Then I'm gonna lay down a bead of how I would weld right now, and then I'm gonna have Rex show me what's going on. All of us are gonna do that, right?
Oh, yeah.
Lizzie already did it. Lizzie did it yesterday. Lizzie's been to school already. But today we're gonna lay down a bead, and then we're gonna see if we improve. We'll see how good Rex really is. If he can make me better at this.
I like the challenge. Beautiful. Yep, just like that, coming right back into it.
We've got Rex here from Miller who's showing us proper welding techniques, which is changing everything we knew about welding. I just laid down this bead, and now we're gonna bend it over and see if this will hold or if it'll crack out when we pull it.
Let's see.
All right, it's breaking.
Well, let's see where it broke. It tore the metal.
Yes, it did.
Yeah.
So your weld held, you got good fusion. Now what we ought to do, just as a comparison, if you want to put a short circuit weld in there, like a normal stitch.
Let's see how that breaks. Yeah, that would be interesting. Okay, let's try that.
Yep. And you look at the weld bead, that's a good looking weld. Right? Most people would look at that and think, that's a beautiful weld.
Okay, we're gonna break this one now, see if it's easier or harder. Oh. Yeah, that definitely broke earlier. Let's see how.
So you look at the little sawtooths all the way along there.
Yeah.
Those are called stress risers, and that's where cracks can start. And as soon as a crack starts, it just goes right through the weld.
So this way is stronger and faster.
Yes, and cleaner.
Oh, this has to go. Grind them out.
At least we know how to do it now.
Well, see, we compensate by welding a lot. I mean, you have a very long weld where you probably only needed an inch or two to hold it together. We've got 8.
I learned that from General Motors. In the assembly manual, like the actual Fisher body manual and stuff, they'll say, like, they'll give us specifications, like in this period they need 14 inches of weld, but for inspection they only needed like 8 inches of it to actually touch. So they over-spec'd all the length because they knew the guys were gonna be like eating a sandwich and welding.
Right there, welding.
Yeah. So this is the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to do my traditional farmer welding. No disrespect for farmers, I am a farmer, but we do have a unique style of welding. Feeling pretty confident. Feeling pretty good about this.
You're gonna be crushed in a minute.
Am I? Okay, so does it matter which way we weld it? On which side? Doesn't matter which side we weld it
Yeah,
on.
we'll just bend it towards whichever.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna get serious about this.
You can make it look good when you try.
I try.
Sounded good.
Plus, I'm trying to win. I'm trying to be like, Miller called me up, but what are you doing? Like, I need you to come and retrain our entire staff. What broke? So the weld broke.
Yep.
Look at that.
There's no fusion along the root. If you look at this, you can see all the parent material straight line all the way down.
That's crazy. So what's going on here? This one's no weave, straight line.
Push it along, yep, and
then
settings are the same ones that Tom was using.
Not too shabby.
Now just ask yourself, which one would you rather have? One that bends like that or one that breaks?
Do I have to answer right now?
No.
I feel better about this welder now.
Oh, already.
I always go for that one.
It's a good welder. I mean, it's been a mainstay for a lot of years.
So, critique on this weld. I had a nice fillet, but I had no penetration.
Right. Did not get the root. You can see that nice clean line of parent metal.
And see, if I really cared about this, like if I knew like demolition derby, I would have done a root pass that was hotter, and then I would have gone over it with a big one like that. And so I would have taken 5 times
As long
to make a weld that probably wasn't as strong as this one.
Correct.
I want to challenge Paul to a weld off like tomorrow before he learns this.
There you go.
My goodness. All right. Well, lesson learned. I would have guessed that completely wrong. I would have guessed that I was at least 80%, but I wasn't. From what it was, I'm like 30%. My welds are 30% as good as my first weld on pulse. Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna appreciate you coming and letting us do this, and we're gonna get better at this.
We'll keep doing it wrong, but we'll know that we're doing it wrong.
You're already getting better though. You proved it already.
No need to be apologetic for me. All right, we interrupt this Rutger build for a company Christmas party. We got Ed right here.
That one that bounces the other way.
All right, so we are waiting for the food. It's gonna be here anytime. Ed knows what's up. We're here for the food, aren't we? That's it. We're here at the Hurricane Community Center, and something that's kind of interesting, at least to me, is this used to be my elementary school. So let me show you where I went to kindergarten. Oh, it's locked. Well, it's locked, but right in here. And Miss Jeannie was my kindergarten teacher. I remember it like it was yesterday. That was the same year that I became aware of a toy called a Stomper. Big pivotal point in my life, my first 4-wheel drive. Actually, I didn't get one, but my friends had one. Some of the kids in my class had one. All right, we're doing some random drawings. More than one right now? Like throughout the evening, we're gonna be doing random drawings.
So this drawing is for 18 and under part-time employees.
We've got you all divided up in a hat somewhere. Where's the hat? Okay, Russell Smith.
Yeah!
So if you ever wonder why the MORR and the banana are so clean all the time, it's because Russell comes after work and cleans it. We got a 55-inch TV here. Tom. So this is Tom. This is Tom's wife, Angela.
Hi.
And we just want a new TV.
So this group is for full-time employees. That's just this bucket.
Ed. You're gonna be able to watch your country westerns on this.
Oh yeah.
We got one more drawing before we eat. Greg. All right, what do we got? So let's see. Jamie's mom's been cooking.
No, this is our caterer.
Jamie's sister.
This is the chef right here.
While you guys are eating, we're gonna do another drawing. This is gonna be for full time. Maddie. Good job, Maddie. We're gonna be doing random drawings throughout the night for everybody that's present here. Everybody's gonna get something, but right now we are playing bingo, and we're playing for all the marbles, to use a metaphor. This is gonna be a good game of bingo.
N45.
I-23.
Yeah.
Right there.
066.
B6. Here, you gotta do this for good luck, Ed. Now one.
59.
Are you kidding?
I'm about to win this. That's your first one. I-26.
That's me.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a moment.
It's
Right
a
there.
Oh, 68. 72.
Bingo.
57. Oh, wow. We got a bingo. Who is it?
We got a bingo. We got a bingo. Wait, where's the bingo?
Bingo! Check that out.
Bingo! I have two bingos.
Bingo!
Okay, we got a bingo.
Bingo, bingo, and bingo. My husband and my mom.
Well, I'm just take a moment right now. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is a big thing that we're doing, but I can't do it alone, and I really do appreciate it. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're in my life, and we're just having some fun tonight. It's a little token of thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being in my life. Let's just keep doing this. What's next?
Open your gift.
Open your gift.
Holy cow, I can't believe I did. I'm not sharing with anybody. Let's go again.
Did you? I can't get it open.
Christmas.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, we have some more left over here. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. What do you want to do?
We're gonna draw these and then we're gonna play one more round of bingo.
What'd you get there, Ed?
Money, whole bunch of money. Thank you.
So let me tell you, you guys don't see Maddie on the channel very much, but if you ever come by Winter Towing Yard, Matt's Off-Road Recovery, you're probably going to see Maddie first, and she's going to tell you that you can't come back and see me because we're filming.
Yep, probably. Or if you run past me, I will get
She will run you down. She will run you down. So she works really hard to make sure that things go smoothly there. We really appreciate her. I'm just super happy that this worked out that way.
Thank you.
So right now we're doing the 75-inch for full-time employees.
Let's see who we got here. Shannon.
Hey, we got a 55-inch for part-time employee.
Eric.
Lizzie, you win this. And Robert, you win a 55-inch.
All right, so we had some prizes left over right here, this big stack. We're just gonna let people win and take off the top, and we're gonna see how this goes.
What was this one?
Yeah, what was the nuts from that? Is that both of them?
No, that's one of them.
Oh.
This is the other
No
one.
better, Russell.
What?
You know how much that is?
Oh my goodness.
No way.
All right, I didn't think we were gonna do it, but we got it all given away. These guys were reluctant, but they finally pulled through. So we had a lot of fun tonight, and it's always nice to have an organized event where you can show appreciation to all the employees and everybody that makes this possible. But I'd also like to let you know how much we appreciate you guys for supporting us, for watching our channel, watching what we put out,
Thanks for watching.
even the stuff this guy puts out.
Sorry.
All right, well now we got to get back on the record, right?
Yes, right back on the record.
Right back on the record, right now.
Now.
Look at this guy.
Now, get that on camera.